What's going on, guys? It's MitchMotoMaths here, coming at you at part 2 of day 5 of our Queensland trip. We're just leaving Stanthorpe. We've got some camping grounds
in 500 metres, turn right onto Amosfield Road.
Plans, because basically what happened was we were looking at the website of the campground that we were originally planning to stay at. And it was
curious if it's an actual trail series or whether it's just mocked. That'd be next car. I don't see any of the markings for it.
Yeah, so it's closed, so we're going to keep going through.
That's the TE stuff. Yeah. Which is good.
I don't think they realised that I just catch up to them. Yeah, so we're getting going. It's going to be, the day's going to be a little bit shorter because of that. But hopefully no more shenanigans, that sort of variety. Yep, they're catching up. I'm just being an idiot. We're just cruising along, enjoying this nice little cruisy road. Yeah, like the trip so far has been awesome. Having some issues with me and Nathan both having issues with our chains. So on our rest day we're probably going to go buy a fresh chains for each of us, put those on, but we will we have this strong feeling that if we push our luck with how it's been going and how many close calls I've had on this trip already, my chain's going to, snap and blow in the case or something. So we're going to not throw caution to the wind and swap my chain over at some point. But yeah, we'll go into the sunny coast and grab something. Might look up if there's a wreckers somewhere near.
That will get you home.
Pardon?
The duct tape will get you home.
Yeah. But I'm just going, it's probably like, if we pass the wreckers, just go there and be like, headlight cover. Thingy. Yeah. It's just, I might, at some point, what are you doing, Nathan?
Fixing up the GoPro.
Ah, okay.
He's a bit floppy. Keep going if you want.
Yeah, just yeah, I was kind of looked down and I was like, what's that light?
Must have just noticed this year.
Yeah.
Why do you say that? Well, GPS says it's good.
They're probably actually still finishing it.
And lines, so that would make sense.
It's a very nice piece of road though.
Loose stones on this one, so be aware.
Yeah.
You might like it anyway.
So we are about to re-pass back into Queensland after leaving it for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and very close to the border. There it is. So around this bend and around the straight, we're back over the border. We should make where we're camping by sundown. Won't see us unless we decide to have a big stop. Yeah, here we go. Here is the border again.
I'd say this is almost the border. Yep. And Queensland. Not now.
Queensland!
Welcome to Queensland.
Yep, we're just back again. Just couldn't stay away. We got a right turn coming up. Just
We're not going to take the wrong turn, are we?
pardon?
Not going to take the wrong turn, are we?
In 800 meters, turn right onto Spring Creek Road.
Thank you.
Laugh, boys.
Keep an eye out for it. I got rid of it. Oh, that is. Yep. Where that goes. So we hit another dead end. Well, I think this is our first dead end, so we're backtracking. Forgot about that. Along Spring Creek Road to get back to main road and then find our way around to our campsites. We should get there about just after 5 o'clock. We are probably going to need to do a petrol stop now because of it, but we'll see. motorbike?
2.
2, yep. Dags Falls. That's what we were.
Yeah.
So we're just about to hit 30,000 Ks on the R3 in like a couple of 100 meters. Woo! We are at 30,000. That is a milestone and a half. I had to just pull over because bloody got, so I don't know, I opened the visor for like a split second and then something was in my eye. I don't know where Nathan and Zach are now. They'll be at this right turn maybe in 2.5 Ks. So, had to make a quick stop at the hospital to get my eye cleaned out because it could have been infected or healed over and caused more problems. Nathan and Zach have booked us a motel to deal with my fact that I killed an hour of our 2 hours of our time. So I'm going to meet them there. Yeah. Interesting end to the day. We did have a really short day tomorrow, so it shouldn't matter too much that we're about an hour and a half behind. And we're staying with a friend tomorrow night, so it's a little bit less of a hassle because we will have a bit more time of not needing to worry about having sunlight. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the video for tomorrow.